welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a lesson. So if you want to see what Miss Tamika bought for herself, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. So this is a YouTube made me purchase type of unboxing. Has been popping up in my YouTube feed for like the past couple of weeks. Pulled the trigger when it first came out because I just wanted to kind of like do my research, watch videos to make sure it's something that I wanted to like invest in. Or watching so many videos and reviews, I decided, okay, let's bring this here cutie home. I purchased this online. So this here is a blind buy item at all other than watching YouTube videos. I'm gonna start unboxing so y'all can see what I'm talking about. On YouTube, y'all probably, I'm sure my bag lovers out there may have a hint of what this is. Alright, this item will be linked down below. I had to, of course, put my 2 cents in it, y'all. Everybody talking about it, so now let's see. Let's get Miss Tamika thoughts on this here baby. Let's see, it is something from Coach. I didn't pull the trigger on the Louis Vuitton because I could not find something that I really wanted from Louis Vuitton, and I felt like I was pushing myself towards something that I know I wasn't going to be happy with. There are small crossbody bags, and I was just like, okay, it's like a summer bag. Well, not necessarily a summer bag, but just a bag that I can carry just my essentials, not so much like a bigger bag, because you know my last purchase from Louis Vuitton was a Neo No Way MM, a bigger size bag, and I wanted like a bag, if that makes any sense. Which is the quilted Tabby. So this is what I got, you all. You know I had to jump on the bandwagon. I had to order this bag for myself to see what's all the hype, because in so many videos on this particular bag. I did see this bag in the denim, and the denim is really nice, you all. I'm like, okay, if I like this one. Now this bag I can see myself purchasing in multiple colors. I did like the denim one, and maybe a version of this bag, probably like in the black, because I heard the black one was made different. Someone said the black one is a lot softer, and some other things they were saying. So I'm gonna probably have to go into a Coach store to see the difference, because I'm not gonna buy a black and compare the two. Off the bat, y'all, brand new. Like nobody has touched this bag. It has all the inside wrapping. It's so freaking cute. Like I said, I just wanted something that I can carry my essentials. And oh, here is the dust bag, because someone was saying, do they come with dust bags? They do. So from the Coach website, you still do get a dust bag, the special wrapping. Oh my gosh, you all, this bag is so cute. Like, look how cute this bag is. Maybe I need to turn the camera off so I can figure it out and then cut it back on. So I pulled all the wrapping off. So here is the bag. I guess to be able to wear a crossbody. And oh my gosh, you all, she's so cute. The chalk, because I wanted the gold hardware where I go back and forth with silver and gold. And right now I am loving gold. As you can see, my old boss got me this for, let me stop calling her my old boss, my bestie, Lizzie. She used to be my boss at Sephora. She got me this hair bracelet for my birthday. I love gold. Now this hand is silver, so like I said, I go back and forth. Wear this crossbody, and you can also wear this as a shoulder bag. You can carry this as a shoulder bag, and you can also make it a crossbody. I probably wear this a lot more as a crossbody because, like I said, it's about to get warm here in Georgia, and I just wanted something that I could you know, bring my essentials and be in and out. Now bag, I can't carry my vlogging camera in here, but that's fine because I can always carry like a separate pouch or bag for that. Carry in here. Y'all know I have my Chanel, and I'm, like I said, I've been loving the whole pillow type of material. My card case here in the back. The 15 Pro Max. So let's see if that fits here in the front. Be able to grab my phone. This here cannot fit in that front pocket. Fine, because most likely I probably won't keep my phone in here at all times, but I just wanted to make sure it can fit. Lip gloss, because I have to have a lip gloss. So let's take out the cell phone, because like I said, I probably won't be putting my cell phone in this here bag. Lip gloss. My Chanel blotting sheets. It just sticks up a little bit. Now keep in mind with this hair bag, you can only carry your essentials. Like you can't carry no more than that. A YSL mirror in the front. And probably, I call this my glasses. So I would probably place that here in the front. It snaps like so. The only thing I'm missing is my keys. So I'm gonna grab my keys just so we can see if my keys fit, because I do need my keys. Now I'm not sure if I will have to take the keys off that key pouch in order for my keys to fit. So let's see. Grab my keys and a mirror and my AirPods. I will say I do need my AirPods. So my AirPods can fit is these here keys, and they've some bulky ass keys. So with the key pouch, I'll probably have to, let me see, take these AirPods out. It do fit. Now I probably could do without the blotting sheets for now. My AirPods up here at the top. So as you can see, everything do fit, and it do close away from the bag. Like I said, you can carry it as a shoulder bag. Carry it as a crossbody bag. Let me tilt the camera down. So here is the bag as a crossbody bag. A little weight to the bag because I guess what's in here. But like I said, this is one of those bags you can throw on and go. Like, she is so cute. Like, do you see this here bag? Here is the bag. Like I said, I feel like once you break it in, like wear it a lot, it'll kind of like loosen up, because it's a little like tight a little bit. Case was the inside. Now with this here card case, I can take my keys off. For a reason I don't want to carry the whole card case, I can just take my keys and put them in here like so. Room for maybe another mirror. Hand sanitizer, but that's not what I would carry, but I'm just showing you for the sake of the video. Sanitizer do fit. I turn it around a little bit like so. Mention it do have a back pocket. The only thing I could see me putting in this here back pocket is probably like a valet ticket, cash, or receipts or something like that. In the front, if I want to carry my Chanel mirror, I can take it out of here and place it here in the front. So yeah, I like the Chanel mirror up at the front. Fits perfectly here in the inside. Now with this here bag, I probably would just carry this here card case, because I have two. I have this one in the black Chanel, kind of like a card wallet. But with this bag, I can't carry both. So I need my cards, but I just still like to bring them sometimes. It's so cute. Like, I feel like the 20 is the perfect size. Now they do have this in, I think, the 26. If I do come in a bigger size, I'm not sure about the bigger size as of yet. If I do get the bigger size, it's only because I have this. But I think I like the small size. And I did see somebody get their initials on this here little chain, this little dog tag. And works out with this hair bag. I probably will go to Coach and get my initials on this here tag, because you can't remove the tag off the bag. Well, yeah, you can come off. So it do come off. Okay, so yeah, most likely for me, I probably would take it off because I don't know, I just feel like I don't need it hanging on the bag. We would take the tag off because this is how it looks. This how it looks without the tag. I've been a bag girl ever since I was younger, and Coach was like my go-to luxury bags. And fast forward, Coach is still kicking. Like, because at one point in time I was like, okay, Coach, what's going on? Big fan of the Coach with all the CCs on the bag. Like, I just never liked those bags, like that canvas material, and I never liked it in the Michael Kors. It's like Coach or Michael Kors. I always purchased the leather bags. Just get them from the Coach outlet because they were a lot cheaper than the department store. Because I used to get them from the department store until I started going to the Coach outlets. It's been a Coach girl, and it's so crazy that look at Coach now. Like, they still kick it, and I feel like whoever took over Coach, or if anybody did, I feel like they had changed the game because really younger people, but I just feel like they did a revamp when they just did different with Coach. Because back in the day, if I had some of my old Coach bags, I would show you. I mean, like, they used to just be plain, and I just feel like they just upped the game. Where's Coach? Like, just because I wear luxury, I would never, ever, ever stop wearing Coach, Michael Kors, Marc Jacobs. I haven't really purchased anything from Michael Kors because I haven't seen nothing worth purchasing, but it's forever love my Coach. Back in high school, like, Coach was my Louis Vuitton back in the day. Louis Vuitton prices, but y'all know what I mean. Like, Coach was considered luxury, and it still is. It's just not luxury like Chanel and Louis Vuitton and Fendi and all that, but they still luxury. They have some expensive bags, because one of these here bags is like $750, and I guess that's like the bigger size big bag. So that's why I didn't really look into that bigger version of this here bag. I do feel what that lady was saying when she was doing the review. She said the black is a lot softer and squishier, and I do feel that this is a little stiff. It's soft, but it's stiff at the same time. Don't matter. I mean, because I didn't want to get this small bag in the color black because I wanted a pop of color. This bag is probably going to show wear. So I am going to have to be careful on what I wear. But I plan to wear this like with sundresses, linen pants and stuff. Like, I don't plan to wear this with jeans at all. I wear jeans, I'll probably throw on one of my other bags. Really cute, you all. If y'all have this bag, let me know the size and color. Because I was looking at the another color they had, and like I said, I can see myself purchasing this in multiple colors. That cute. Now, you know, with Coach, things do eventually go on sale. I didn't want to pay this money for this hair bag, but I was just like, I couldn't wait because it's so new that I don't know if it's going to ever go on sale or what, because a lot of things that come out new eventually goes over to the Coach outlet website. If I do decide to keep this, I'll probably just wait and see if that happens, because like I said, a lot of things that, you know, you pay full price with Coach, it eventually goes on over to the Coach outlet website. I'm paying the full price because, like I said, I wanted to get it home to see if it was Miss Tamika approved. And you all, this thing is so freaking cute. My gosh, you all, she is cute. You have this bag again. Let me know down below your thoughts on this hair bag. What color did you get? Did you keep it? Did you like it or what? Because other people's opinions about this bag. And if you have this bag and you had it for a while, let me know if you had issues with color transfer or anything like that. I don't plan to spray this with Apple Guard because I don't know if Apple Guard gonna even protect this at all. Wear this at work because y'all know I wear black and I wear black jeans, and I'm sure black will get all over this hair bag. So this hair bag is for like my days off, when I want to run errands, go to the farmer's market, or just go somewhere cute. You know, bring a Gucci or Louis Vuitton. You know, I want to like sometimes switch it up. Not wait to play with her. So maybe I'll go and show y'all some mod shots of it. Wearing a crossbody. Don't mind how I look, you all. So here's the bag, crossbody. Like I said, it fits nicely on my particular body frame. Now I'm not sure if you're taller than me how this will lay, but it fits nice me where I can toss it to the back, because a lot of times when I'm out and about I usually like to toss my crossbodies to the back just to get out my way. Cute. I love the gold hardware, like it's so cute. I'm trying to get it where you can see, because the sun hits this apartment, so it's kind of like throwing everything off. See the bag. Like I said, I'm not dressed, but here's the bag. Crossbody, let me see. Yeah, see the sun hits the house, so it's kind of like messing up my video. Yeah, she cute.